of Piano and by Evia Learn, where we will be talking about another important technique that we use in chamber music, auditory cue or audio cue. As in our previous videos, I will use the piano for 4 hands this setup again to show how we teach and practice this skill. Just like breathing, nodding, and eye contact, audio cue is a crucial aspect of non-verbal communication in ensemble settings. Auditory cue refers to the ability to listen to others playing and anticipate their next move so that we can enter our part at the right time. By practicing audio cue regularly, we can improve our coordination with other players and create a more successful performance. Active listening is a technique that helps us to develop audio cue skills. We listen to others playing and pay attention to whatever is happening or changing, tempo, dynamics, transitions, and the location of the musical phrase. And this is not only about right timing, but also about entering with appropriate dynamic and tone color. Here is a little game to make practicing audio cue more fun and challenging. I'm going to put on an eye mask and try to enter at the right time based on what I listen to the other pianists playing. This game requires a lot of trust and communication between 2 players. My ears are the only source for me to determine when is the time to enter my part.
You got it, yeah.
In conclusion, audio cue is an essential skill for musicians who perform in an ensemble setting. You're welcome to give the game a try and see if it helps you feel more confident while playing with other musicians. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more piano education content. I will see you next time. Bye bye.